So let's start today's class. So as part of previous class, we discussed about what is a Unix, history of the Unix, features, and Unix architecture, and file system. So these are the different concepts we have discussed about last three classes. So today we will try to learn about how to install Unix on our on our system, then how to do the practice. So as I said that as I said multiple times, so the first operating system ever in the market is Unix. So after that after that BSD. After BSD we have a based on the next we have Microsoft. Then we are also having a Linux. So as you know that as you know that Unix and Microsoft and BSD also kind of we need to, it's a kind, I mean mainly it's used by the internally. So okay, all these are the commercial. So all these are the commercial. So which means that you need to pay the money. So after paying the money, you need to so after paying the money, you can utilize it. After paying the money, we can utilize it. So now, apart from that, so as I told that we are also having a Linux. Linux is an operating system which is developed by the Linus Torvalds in 1990s. So which is a free open source code. Based on the open source code, there are many organizations developed software. So with the help of developed software. So by using by using the Linux source code. Couple of the flavors of Linux are, we are having a RHEL, which is Red Hat Enterprise Linux, most widely used operating system. And apart from that, apart from this Linux, RHEL, we are also having a Ubuntu, CentOS, SUSE Linux, Fedora, Debian. These are the different flavors of Linuxes which are available in the market. So today we are going to we are going to learn how to install CentOS operating system on. So CentOS operating system on Linux, CentOS operating system on Windows. So CentOS is a flavor of Linux that we are going to install on our Windows, so that going forward we'll open this Linux operating system, and we will try to perform the we'll do the practice. That is our end goal. That is our end goal. So before that, so even in market also, even in it's not necessary that you need to install Linux on your on your system. Without of that also, without of that also, we can able to install. We can able to install. We can able to practice it. There are couple of websites. So if you open the websites, so if you're not having a laptop, it is a difficult for you. So you can also do it online online Linux practice. We can use this one, and basic commands. So basic commands and all. So we can able to learn. So you just go with either this website, or there are multiple websites. So whichever the websites you are comfortable, so we can log in, and we can log in, and you can do the practice. We can do the practice. So launch for your Linux playground in seconds. So if you click on here, so automatically we can able to do the practice. And this is also another way to do the practice. This is also another way to do the practice. So if you are trying to execute any of the commands, just execute. So we can able to get the output. We can able to get the output. This is also, so these are the few free websites that we can able to do the practice on internet itself, that we can do the practice on say internet itself, so that we can do it on internet itself. And at the same time, so if you want to if you want to do the practice on system, it's on your so yeah, on your system. So that we can able to achieve it. So that we can able to achieve it by using the way, other way, we can able to do that. So what we are trying to do is, so we are trying to download we are trying to physically installing Linux operating system, and we are trying to do the practice. So that way, what we can do is we can able to see the look and feel, which means that the file system, and even terminal, how to connect to the putty, and even shell scripting, so whatnot we can able to do a lots of practice. We can do the lots of practice. There are different ways to do the practices. One is online. So online practice, which is limited. So which is limited. So which is limited. So what are the softwares we're having? You can just go and search on Google online Unix practice. So you will get this much of these are the different these are the different URLs which are available in the which are available. So you need to be sign up, and we can do that. But the problem of these guys are, you don't I mean, they will just provide it at a high level. They just provide it at a high level. So somewhat, I mean, out of 100 percentage, we can learn 30 to 40 or 50%. Okay, we can learn it. The other way is we can register on. Okay, we can register on. So we can register on any we can register on any URLs. So cloud URLs, we can register on any cloud URLs. What are the clouds we are having? So either either GCP, Google Cloud Platform, or then Amazon Web Services, or Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft Azure. So we can, for example, if you go with AWS, so what you need to do with AWS? So if you want to go with AWS login, so AWS login, Amazon Web Services login. So you need to log in with Amazon Web Services. So after logging this Amazon Web Services, so what you need to do is we can able to we can create a we can create a EC2 instance on here. After creating an EC2 instance, so then after creating a EC2 instance, we can do the practice. That will also provide you the I mean, if you are going with majority nowadays, majority of the organizations are using AWS or GCP, one of the cloud service. So one of the cloud service, there we are going to create the Unix instances. After creating the Unix instances from there, then we are doing the practice. We are doing the practice. That is the another way. And the other one is like Microsoft Azure. So we can also use the Microsoft Azure. So Microsoft Azure, GCP, AWS, you need to register and you need to pay the money. So there is a procedure, and we can just check in Google how to register AWS. Then we will come to know in AWS, in above services we have a feature called EC2. So EC2, so Elastic Cloud Compute. So this is a virtual computer offering by cloud services, where we can able to install any of the operating system, and we can make use of it. The third option is so physically installing. So download the download send to OS, or any Linux flavors, or any Linux flavors, and install install on, and install on our computer on system. So on your system. So in order to do that, do that, so this is the third way. ఒకటి ఏంటంటే ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఆన్లైన్, సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ క్లౌడ్, and third one is setting up installing any of the Linux flavor on your system. So on system, if you're having a laptop, so through the laptop we are trying to, through the laptop we are trying to install the Linux OS, and we are doing the practice. So as part of, in order to do that, so in order to if you are going with this feature, we need to have we need to fulfill we need to have some prerequisites. There are some prerequisites. There are few prerequisites. You need to you need to set up on your system. You need to set up on your system. First one ఏంటంటే, so have a, so VM software. So have a VM software in your system, and download Okay, any Linux OS. So like like CentOS, okay, or Debian, or okay Ubuntu, okay Ubuntu, or Ubuntu. There are whichever it is. So we can download, and we can download it. So with the help of if you want to perform, if you want to install this any of the Linux operating system on your machine, then the prerequisites is you must require the VM software. Okay, you must require the virtual machine software. Okay, we must require a virtual machine. What do you mean by virtual machine? So generally a physical, okay, if you are having a laptop or if you are having a server physically support only one operating system. That could be either Windows, that could be either Linux. Only physically a server or a device supports only one operating system, whereas if you want to install multiple operating system on our system, so straightforward we can't able to achieve it. Because so as a thumb rule, the operating system, the machine can support only one physical operating system on one physical operating system. So what we can do is we can install the virtual machines. The name itself, we are going to download. There are few softwares. What it does is we can able to with help of those softwares we can able to isolate the resources. And we can able to install multiple we can able to install multiple operating multiple OSs according to our requirement. So as I said that the first prerequisite is we must require VM. We must require a VM. So in the market there are different VMs are available. So one is Oracle VM. So if I go with different different, so VM soft VM softwares. So there are different VM. One is Oracle VM, and even virtual machine, and even there are multiple sir, there are multiple organizations are available. So what we are going to do is, so these are the different best virtual machines of 2025. So these are the so different virtual machines we are having. One is Microsoft Hyper-V, and along with Microsoft Hyper-V. The second one is Microsoft Hyper-V. Then the second one is VirtualBox. So this is the VirtualBox, and along with VirtualBox, then VMware Workstation, and along with the VMware Workstation, we're also having a Citrix, and along with the Citrix, we're also having QEMU. So these are the different even Gen project. There are different if you go with parallel desktops, and there are multiple VM. So basically this is the most frequently used utility. So the organization develops, and some of the organization will give it as a free, and some of the organizations will make it as will also give it as a with the license base. One is with license and without license. So generally the without license is VirtualBox, Oracle. So VirtualBox. So this is offering by the Oracle organizations. This is offering by the Oracle organization. So first, what you need to do is we need to download one of the VMware software, one of the VM software. So there are multiple. So now what we are doing is we are choosing we are going to we are selecting the, so we are going to select this virtual Oracle, so VirtualBox. So in order to do that, so we need to we need to download the first VirtualBox. After downloading the VirtualBox, we need to download the CentOS, and these are the steps available to install Linux operating system on on mission. So before that, so at a high level, Okay, at high level, so okay, what is okay virtual machine? So what is okay virtual machine? Okay, the virtual machine is a component. So virtual machine is a software based okay simulation of a physical computer. So okay, of a physical okay computer, it runs an operating system and application like a real computer, but it is hosted on another virtual machine called the okay host, which means that so the main intent of the virtual machine is it's a software based okay simulation of a physical computer. What is the meaning of simulation? Simulation means follow. So okay, simulation is okay follow, which means that with the help of this virtual machine, we can able to create okay, we can able to create okay, we can able to okay create okay, we can able to okay create virtual missions, and on those virtual missions we can run okay different operating systems. If you're already having Windows 2010, if you want to run older version, okay, we can run it. Or if you want to run okay Linux, we can run it. If you want to okay learn okay sushi Linux, we can run whichever. We can create okay, n number of okay virtual missions, okay, n number of okay setups, and okay we can okay install, and we can do the okay practice. We can not only do the practice. So general గా ఏమవుతుందంటే ఈవెన్ ఇన్ జనరల్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్స్ okay what they do is, so what they do means okay they bring okay they purchase okay servers. They don't purchase the laptops. There is a difference between the laptops and okay there is a difference between the laptops and servers. Laptops, the configuration of laptops are very less, like 4 GB RAM, okay, 500 okay I mean 512 okay GB okay hard disk, okay, 4 to 5 cores. This is the very basic. But if you go with okay servers, there are okay Dell R740, okay 750. These are the servers. So the configuration of these servers are okay huge. The configuration of these servers are okay huge. So what they do means, so okay they will try to okay purchase. They will try to okay bring okay 10 to 15 servers. Okay 10 to 15 or 20. Assume that okay if you are having organization called A, so the organization A, okay, which is a kind of bank, or it is a kind of okay, some sensitive business they are doing. So what they do means, okay, generally in organizations, general organization, whenever if you are trying to connect to the client missions, okay, if you are going to work for okay, an X organization, so what they do means they will try, okay, they need to provide, okay, they need to provide a okay, workstation for you. They need to provide a workstation for you, okay, to okay workstation for you to connect their servers, and okay installing okay, some services like Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Outlook, or okay Zoom. So what they do means they will install okay okay they will first okay select okay, in one of the servers they will install okay, one operating system. On top of the operating system, with the help of this okay, virtualization model, with the help of virtualization model, if the organization is having okay, 100 employees, so they will create okay 100 okay missions. They will create 100 missions on okay existing okay server, and okay they will allocate okay each server. Okay, they will allocate okay each server for each okay for each employee, so that okay they will connect. So they will try to connect either by using the Citrix, or okay, there are different softwares. Based on that softwares, okay, based on software means basically VPN, virtual private network. They will try to connect, and okay, they perform okay they do the okay operations. Okay, basically they work on okay they do their okay regular work. So the same concepts on okay here also. We're having a laptop, and okay, on this laptop we want to install one Linux operating system. In order to do that, we need okay one virtual okay we need one okay virtual okay software. We need one okay virtual software. So we are going to okay select okay we are going to select Oracle okay VMware, Oracle virtual machine okay where. So if somebody asks me what is a virtual machine, a virtual machine is a software based simulation of a physical computer. So what are the key concepts? There will be one host machine, the physical computer where the VM is created, and a guest machine. On top of this one, it will create a guest machine. So then with help of this hypervisor, so we will try to okay, install. Okay, what is the meaning of hypervisor? So okay, the hypervisor is nothing but, so okay, again it's a kind of a software. So with help of this okay hypervisor software, we are trying to okay segregate okay resources. We are going to segregate the resources, like your physical system is having 8 GB RAM. and okay, 4 cores and okay, 1 TB hard disk. What are trying to achieve it here is, so okay, 2 cores, okay, 4 GB of RAM and okay, okay, 100 okay, GB of hard disk. We are going to segregate. We are going to okay, segregate, and okay, those we are dedicating to a those okay, we are dedicating to okay, this we are going to dedicating to is okay, dedicating to install okay, okay, install okay, okay, install the okay, OS, install the okay, OS. So in order to segregate the resources, we need to know about the hypervisor. So again, hypervisor is a software layer. So again, it's a kind of a software which enables virtualization by managing okay, VMs. But what is the meaning of virtualization? The virtualization is nothing but the process of creating okay, virtual okay, okay, the process of creating okay, virtual version of okay, something on a computer. So on top of the computer, if you want to okay, do something, that we can able to achieve it by using, so that okay, we can able to achieve it by using this virtualization. So here we need to remember okay, we need to know the concepts. What is a virtualization? What is a hypervisor? What is a okay, simulation? What is a okay, simulation? So when it comes with okay, simulation, and simulation is a real world process or okay, using okay, our system using software. So okay, it is a kind of okay, and okay, imitation. So it is a kind of a imitation of a real world process. What is the meaning of imitation? So on existing okay, mission, we are going to create okay, one more mission which follows okay, which follows the principles of okay, which follows the principles of okay, actual okay, host mission. And what is the meaning of hypervisor? A hypervisor is a special software that allows multiple okay, VM missions to run a single physical missions. It manages the okay, VMs. In order to manage the okay, VMs, we required okay, this okay, hypervisor. Hypervisor, the main intent of the hypervisor means segregating the resources. What do you mean by resource? A combination of okay, memory plus core plus okay, hard disk. Okay, okay, the amount of the amount of hard disk, okay, then core, then resources, we can call it as okay, we can call it as okay, resources. So those resources we can able to segregate. It's a kind of container. Basically, it's a kind of okay, container. Simply in a real time, if you want to okay, say something, if you're having a container, so assume that if you take a Flipkart, so in a Flipkart, or okay, if you take okay, any of okay, real time, okay, assume that okay, if you are okay, taking it as okay, our Indian IRCTC. So okay, we are having a IRCTC. We are having different types of trains. One is okay, passenger trains and okay, goods trains. So as part of goods train, the train is okay, assume that there will be a train. So okay, train number is 1234. So in that train, so the train number okay, the train is same, but we're having okay, different okay, boxes. So each box okay, okay, one box okay, we'll try to, so if it is a goods, what we'll do, if the okay, if the number of boxes on okay, if the number of boxes on okay, that train is 40, what we'll do, and okay, 5 boxes we will keep okay, fertilizers, and okay, 5 boxes okay, we'll keep okay, cement. So okay, then okay, okay, then okay, 2 places okay, delegated items. And okay, for example, okay, if you are trying to okay, import okay, any cards or something, you want to okay, send from one area to another area, then we always okay, go with the goods only. Then okay, what is the meaning of this one? The box okay, okay, here for okay, outside it is a single train, but inside the train we are okay, with help of these boxes we are segregating, and okay, we are transporting okay, we are transporting the goods. And similarly, if you go with okay, assume that okay, if you are trying to okay, shift okay, your house from one location to another location, so what we'll do, we'll contact to that okay, movers and packers. The movers and packers, they will okay, they will segregate the first delegated non-delegated items accordingly. So they will try to okay, arrange okay, inside they will okay, the entire okay, the entire transport, they will segregate into the small boxes. So one side delegated items, one side non-delegated. So like that okay, they will arrange, and they will arrange, and okay, we are they will arrange, and okay, we are delivering, right, the same way the hypervisor okay, with help of this hypervisor we are segregating it. And if you go with okay, if you go with so okay, if you go with okay, this virtualization, so as I told you that virtualization is a process of creating virtual process of creating virtual version of something like a computer, operating system, storage or network, whatever it is. So virtualization is nothing but it's logical, not a physical kind of physical kind of things. So since we learned that the three different ways we learn. So one is online practice, one is with one with cloud, the third one is physical. So we are going with physical in order to since we are going with this pattern. The prerequisites are we required VMware. We required VMware, and your mission should also contains respective resources, For example, if you take this computer, it is having 8 GB of RAM and this much CPUs. So how many CPUs are there? Okay, this much. Okay, hard disk. So hard disk. These are the different. For example, if you go with CPU, this is a 12th generation i5. So in order to i5, how many cores are there? 10. So this is a i5 into it is a dual mission. Total 10 cores are there. So okay, out of the how many are using? Here you must required you must require resources. You must require resources. So with this configuration, we can able to install two or three virtual machines. We can set up two or three virtual machines, and we can do the practice. We can do the practice. So now, as per this documentation. So as per this documentation.
Sorry,
So
sorry to
login.
interrupt. Sorry to
Yeah.
interrupt. What are
Yeah.
the basic specifications which is required to install this?
Yeah, as I tell that basic specification, you must require the resources. We must require the resources, and it should be 256. We are having 128-bit operating system. 256-bit operating system is needed. So that is enough. So the latest laptop, or whatever the laptop you are purchasing latest, that is more enough. But
No,
at
I
least
mean,
you,
in regards to the RAM, also, is it possible in 4 GB?
yeah, 4 GB is also enough. I have installed 4 GB also.
Okay, okay.
Minimum 4 GB because we are going to set up 1 GB of
Hmm,
RAM only. 1 GB of RAM for each virtual machine. And
okay,
yeah, 4 GB is also more enough. We can install and we can do the practice.
sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah. So if you want to check what is the I mean, if you want to see your resource utilization, so you just press Control Shift Escape three together. So Control Shift Escape buttons three together. So you will it will open the Task Manager. Under the Task Manager, click on the Performance. Under the Performance, we can able to see it is a consolidated place. So for example, if you take the disk, you will come to know that capacity is this much, and how many system disks are there, and average response time. Those details we can get it. Memory also. So we can able to get total memory. So here only we are showing that 8 GB. So 8 GB, and CPU also total cores are 10. And how many sockets? Sockets nothing but NIC cables, network interface cables, and virtualization. So the virtualization should be enabled. So because we are also going with this concept, virtualization concept only, right? If the virtualization is disabled, we can't able to do that because that is a software which allows to segregate the resources. So based on this components only, if you go with Kubernetes, Docker. So nowadays Kubernetes or Dockers are more I mean more demanding technologies. They also developed by using this virtualization concepts only. Virtualization so concepts only. So then the main intent of this virtualization ఎందుకు అంటే the main intention is so we can run services independently, and so one service cannot disturb the other services. One service cannot disturb the other services, and we can also dynamically increase the resources also. Dynamically we can also increase the resources. We can start with few. So for example, assume that so you are going to allocate 2 GB of RAM. It won't occupy 2 GB at a time. So whichever is needed initially, it will try to occupy. Then later so dynamically step by step it will try to utilize. So but it cannot utilize the maximum resources that you allocated. So the maximum resources, so your virtual machine cannot go beyond your allocated one, but it won't start okay with the 2 GB. If you are selecting as 4 GB, it won't start with okay 4 GB at a time. So later we do have those kind of settings. If you enable those setups, first it will start with okay minimum resources. Then level by level okay we can okay automatically system automatically it allocates from the okay from okay mission itself. Okay, now so just go to okay this okay downloads, just okay click on this URL. I will share these notes after this class. So you need to okay just go to okay this URL and okay download it. So, okay download the so okay latest okay whichever is needed. So VirtualBox, so these are the okay VirtualBox for just Windows. So okay here okay VirtualBox for okay source code. So accept and okay download. So here from this URL, the download is being scanned. I think it's scanning. Oh, I think it's downloading. I'm downloading multiple times. So this is the virtual box. Just okay, open the downloads. So first let's go to the downloads. So these are the okay, virtual missions. Just click on okay here. Click on yes. Next. So okay, this is also a software, right? It required okay, some resources. This will install okay, on existing okay, on your okay, on our laptop. So once it is completed, then okay, we have to download. So meanwhile, so okay, we'll also okay download CentOS. So this is the place okay where we can also okay, download the okay CentOS operating system. So okay, this is the repository. So okay, from this repository, I'm downloading this. We can also download the latest one. So whichever. So there are okay many. So okay, this is 86. There are okay different okay flavors are available. CentOS 7, and okay, we are going with okay same. Okay, we are also going with okay CentOS 7 only. Just click on okay here. So it will be okay downloaded. So it will be okay downloaded. It doesn't take that much time. 608 MB. So okay, after this, so once we go and okay here finish. So let it download okay that guy. So okay, before that, so we'll also okay follow the okay steps. We'll also follow the steps. Okay, this is enough. Okay, now, so okay, I mean, once we install, okay, what we have done, so simply, we connected to this, okay, we connected to this VirtualBox okay, URL, and okay, we have downloaded the latest one. So we have downloaded the, so okay, here it is, okay, 5.1.8. This is one of the pretty old document. So, but okay, we are okay, okay, I mean, so if you go on here downloads. So which version okay we have downloaded? We have downloaded the 7.1.8. 7.1.8. 7 dot okay this one. So we have okay downloaded. This is the version. Okay, we downloaded. So after that, so okay, I mean you just follow that. It's very simple. So just a basic mode. Okay, we are going with okay basic mode. So in order to do that, then so okay, then after that, okay, after okay, once we download okay this send to OS, so after successful completion of this send to OS, so here are the okay steps. Here are the okay steps. So, okay, we are downloading the CentOS. So, how to create the virtual machine? We have to follow this very carefully. We have to follow this very carefully. So, okay, open Oracle okay, VM VirtualBox Manager. So, we Oracle VirtualBox okay Manager. Then click on the okay group. So, for example, okay here. So, okay here also okay, we can able to click on the. So, there are okay different ways. Click on the group and okay new mission. So, okay here so okay, mission or okay, new. We can click on okay, new mission. So the new mission name is we can mention okay. I mean, so what is the work mission name? So okay, which folder okay you want to? So which folder you want to okay specify? Which folder you want to specify? I'm going with okay. I have okay multiple drives. So this PC okay D and okay here I will try to create okay new folder. The folder okay I will just specify it as okay VMs. So I'm just selecting okay this folder. Okay, this folder and okay inside this. So okay ISO image. So ISO image okay we need to select right. So it has to download. So it has to okay download. So after completion of the downloads, we need to select the ISO image. Then after that type. So what is the type here? So here the steps are very clear. So select a type as okay Linux. Select a type as okay Linux and after that select okay version as red hat. So okay version as okay subtype okay version as so okay here so red hat and okay red hat okay 64-bit then okay I mean so before that we need to select this okay ISO image. We need to select this ISO image. I thought okay it downloads quickly but today it's taking longer time. So okay, this will okay total okay, it may take okay 16 minutes. So after that, what you need to do is you need to click on the next. So okay here, so basic memory. So I'm going to select it as okay 2048 okay memory and okay how many cores. So if you want okay two cores, we can also select this. You can also type the number here. We can also drag how much okay you want it. How much? So okay you want it. Then the next one is so what are the next options we are having? Okay then so okay select okay VDA and okay click next. So okay the same way. So next so okay, here create okay virtual okay hard disk. How much we are going to specify? 20 GB or okay 40 GB. I'm going to specify it as a 30 GB. And so okay, after selecting this okay hard disk, so what they are saying that select VDA virtual desktop image and okay next. So create a virtual okay hard disk now. Memory and all we selected. Create a virtual hard disk now. We are okay select create a virtual hard disk now. Okay then next. So okay, these are the so details of what we have specified. Mission name is AV Learning Mission Folder. ISO image still we haven't selected. We can select it once it's download. Then hardware. How much hardware we are going to specify? 2048. Number of processor two cores. And okay, false disk space is 30. Pre-allocated okay full size okay I haven't okay selected. After this, we need to click on okay finish. We need to click on okay finish. So this is the setup. So this is the okay first okay here. So first we have it downloaded the Oracle virtual machine. On top of the virtual machine, we have downloaded okay we have set up one mission. So what our mission name is for this mission we have allocated okay this much of okay resources. So if you want to edit, we can also click on the settings and okay later also okay, we can able to do the okay settings. For example okay settings general. What are the generals? And okay, even advanced so okay description and okay system so how much okay have selected and okay even okay display how much okay display and controller we have to select the controller so okay choose from a disk file so okay I mean I think I do have it already so okay I mean we'll select that if it takes longer time okay we'll select that So then, so okay, even storage, how much storage? You can also here also we can able to select the controller. So here controller is nothing but okay, which mission and audio. So enable audio input, input and output also we can enable. So okay, here audio. Okay, next okay, NAT or okay network. So we should always go with okay bridge adapter. So okay, we should always select as a bridge adapter and okay USB. Whether you want to select USB and all the same steps on okay here. So okay, open Oracle mission, groups, new mission, name, select Linux. So this we have seen memory, virtual disk. So dynamically allocated. Next, select 8 GB and click. So right click on slave 7, setting storage. So click on the empty. So click on okay, empty under controller IDE. So okay, this okay, we need to select it. Then right click on save and okay, we have to okay, we have to okay for storage. So you just follow okay all these steps. So we'll just follow this okay steps. So after selecting this one, so you will get okay, all these options. You will get all these so options, internet. So okay, all these options okay, will get it okay one by one. So you just follow okay until okay, you just okay follow. So okay, you just okay follow okay until this. You just follow okay until. So okay, here also right click on okay this network. So okay, event settings okay network. So okay, attached to bridge adapter. The same okay we have done. All these things okay, we can do. The only showstopper for us is okay. The only showstopper for us is okay downloading of okay this guy. It will take okay 12 more minutes. I think I do have it okay the source code with me. The other places. Where it is? Nicely Python Venkat. Hmm. Somewhere I have it. Let me check on okay here Hadoop. Yeah, this is the Oracle Hadoop VirtualBox is only available. Yeah, there is a send to OS. Okay, select okay, go select this guy and okay, come to here. So we need to select okay system, right? So display storage and come here, choose from a hard disk. So okay, here select this guy and okay, select okay this guy. Open. Okay, okay. So we have selected the general, system, display, storage. So okay, storage also okay, we have selected send to OS, audio, network also bridge adapter, USB, and okay, just click on okay, okay. So after this, what you need to do? We need to be start. You need to click on okay normal starts. So once you click on the normal start, very first time. So okay, very first time. So okay, it will try to do the okay setup. It will try to do the okay setup. So powering off okay VM up. So okay, then it may take okay some time, and after that okay see okay you are getting so starting okay virtual mission. So virtual box. Don't show this again. So send to OS 7, installing send to OS 7. So automatic boot in 53 seconds. Press okay if you want to okay. So don't capture. So within 43 seconds. So the installation okay starts. The within 40 okay within 39 seconds. So we can also do that. Okay. So here the one more thing is if you want to go inside of okay this guy. If you want to go inside, just okay click on okay. Just go and click on. So okay here. So since it is okay, we are just waiting. Install send to OS 7. So within 19 seconds, it will very first time it will try to okay it will okay it I mean just now only we have selected all the details, right? First it will do the initial setup. So okay, first it will try to do the setup very first time, right? So okay it will take this okay then after this. So we can also see that okay mouse integration. You can also click on a right click. Click on a right click. 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 Right click And also make it as okay here full screen. So checking 64 percentage. So very first time we are going to okay start the boot screen and okay level by level. So we are trying to okay do that. We can also okay set up that latest one. It's started okay you there are couple of okay pre mandatory RPMs are going to okay install very first time starting installer one moment. So here we need to select okay English, then United States, then continue. So just click on right click. Why it is not working? So here mouse. So here in one of the layer we have mentioned that. So control plus so right control. So note VirtualBox. In a VirtualBox, if you're clicking inside the VM screen, your mouse pointer will be captured inside it. So it usually gives a introduction instructions on how to release the pointer. So by default, to release the button, right click to release the your pointer. To release the key, by default, Control plus Alt, Control plus, not sure. Right control. So automatically, I'm not sure what is happening. And so we need to select this right control only, but getting this guy. I don't know why it is deviating from here to here. Any idea for anyone? Okay, this way we can do that. What I will do is I will try to okay stop recording. Stop share.